between like hunting for monsters at night and like see these skyblocks. So let me put them. See how cute they are? Putting them all around my old TNT. But I should play this video and then it didn't work. So that's why I'm making another one here. Okay. Fine. Look at them. There's no little animals. Let's just be okay. Hunting out for stuff. It's my mommy. I'm hunting out for stuff. Mommy, na na. Mama say mama. Mama say no. I'm happy. Mom press every must say happy. Okay, so guys, do you want to hear this? Guys, try again. Wait, try again. Okay, what's that? That's how you do a kinky. See like that? That's how you do it. Okay. This is kind of fun, guys. Okay. Now see how I do this. Wait, sorry. Not here. You go here. Okay. Yeah, you go actually go here. Look, I'm a actual person like that. Going to the wall. Well, I have to be like this now. Because I'm gonna turn it midnight. Not midnight, but night. We will kill some monsters. Okay, everything's stuck in here. Now, make it nice. Okay, where's the monster?